Hey guys, it's Sophie, and today we'll be making something. Can you guess what we'll be making? If you guessed a volcano cake with super good fudge in the middle and then a scoop of homemade vanilla ice cream, you were wrong, because we're going to be making Rice Krispies squares. Here I have the recipe, but we will not be using that today because recipes are boring. Let's take a look at our ingredients. So first up, here we have some vanilla. Then we have our mini marshmallows. Then we have some butter. Then some Smarties as a little extra. Then we have some Rice Krispies. Alright, so first off, you obviously need a pan to cook it in. So I highly recommend a non-stick pan like we're using so that it sticks less. Then you're gonna heat up your pan, and then you're gonna put a 1/4 cup of butter. Wow. And make sure you get all the butter on the pan. Now that you've put your butter in the pan, try not to drop your spoon in the pan. But yeah, now you just spread it around and let it melt. And now once your butter has basically almost all melted, you're gonna put your marshmallows in, and I used a whole bag of mini marshmallows. And now while we wait that the marshmallows melt, we're gonna have to prepare the pan that we're gonna put the Rice Krispies in. So what we do is we fold this, then we scoop up some butter. Now that our marshmallows have melted, it's now ready to add some vanilla extract. So we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Wow. Now we're going to add in our Rice Krispies. The finishing touch, some Smarties. Now that we're finished making the Rice Krispies, it's time to put them in our pan thingy, our other plate. Now if you want, you can sprinkle more of your desired candy on top. And now that you're done, you can eat it!